Alright, so if you go to hangouts.google.com, it brings you to Google Hangouts, and here you can start a new message to for a group of people. And once you have a group of people, it'll show up here as your conversations, or you have your contacts here. And then also it's available for your phone, so it'll show you what it looks like on the App Store right here. You can download it, Google Hangouts. And then for Google Doodle, you do doodle.com, and it brings you to here. And we're gonna start a group meeting. But there's 3 different options of meetings you can start right here, and there's 4 options right here. So we're gonna start a group meeting. You enter a title, and here's the options of the locations on what platform you're gonna use. You can have a conference call, phone. You can even use Zoom, which allows 100 people to be present at one time. We'll just say phone. And then you pick a day for it. So we'll pick the 15th at 9 o'clock. And then here's the poll settings. We're going to set it to this one. The participants can only do yes or no votes. This one is first come, first served, so they're limited of how many times they can vote. And then this is limited to 1 vote, and this one's hidden. So we're going to use this one. And then here's where you invite everybody. Once you invite everybody, they can do the poll on the suggested time, and if it's not good for anyone, you can reschedule as many times as you need. And then from there, you go to the meeting and you set up your conference call or your Zoom call or whatever it is.